to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today comparing the wind noise cancellation on the GoPro Hero 8 Black and Hero 9 Black with and without media mod. We start with the GoPro Hero 8 without media mod. The wind noise cancellation is set to automatic. And now the GoPro Hero 9 Black, also without media mod and also with wind noise cancellation set to automatic. Comparing these two samples, I think you hear a little less wind noise on the GoPro Hero 9, but the difference is really small. Here we are recording with the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod, prioritizing the audio coming from the front microphone. And finally the GoPro Hero 9, also with the media mod, prioritizing the audio coming from the front microphone. In both cameras, the results with the media mod are better than without the media mod. The wind noise cancellation is better on the GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod. I think the main reason for that is the foam wind filter that is included in the package.